Hello friends, so my name is Jigar Parekh and I'm the CET 2099.99 percentiler. And for all of you who already know me, nice seeing you again. So guys, today we are going to take the topic that is abstract reasoning for today's doubt solving Saturdays, that is. For all of you who don't know what is doubt solving Saturdays, let me give you an example of what it is, explanation of what it is. So doubt solving Saturdays is a series of lectures which I take every Saturday, where whatever topics that you find difficult, or if you have any doubts in that topic, you have to send me the doubts. I will put them all together and I'll give you the best trick on how to solve that doubt. This is something that I do just so that students can benefit, and also so you can have an idea of how I teach you. And so let's continue. So today is going to be on abstract reasoning. What I say is that, guys, abstract reasoning is one topic jahan pe you can't lose out marks. Here it is very much possible to have a marks per minute that is almost close to 1.8 or 2. Understand? So if you score, if you solve it for around 13 minutes, you should be scoring at least 20 marks. So that is something where something that you can do in abstract. And trust me, it is absolutely possible. Many of my students are already doing it. Many of my co-students, that is, they are already doing this. They are scoring very well in abstract in a very short amount of time. So please make sure that you don't miss out on abstract marks. This is what will really push your score higher towards a better percentile. Okay, sure. Let's go. So there are a few topics, that is paper folding, odd man out, there is cubes, there is a series. So there are a lot of topics. I've taken a few from many of the topics. So let's hope that you guys like it. Sure. So guys, here we see that this line, it is a straight line. It is something that is not upar niche. It is not like ye aisa and ye aisa. Aisa nahi hai. So that is why when we fold it, the overall figure, the folded figure should also have these two lines which are coinciding. So this one is obviously wrong. See, this one is close, but still it is two lines. So that is why this is wrong. The same reason here, this one is wrong. The only one where it overlaps is this one. So this one is right. So that is our option. Now let's go here. Now we are folding horizontal, जो horizontal एक line है, and हम बीच में से fold कर रहे हैं उसको. So let's see this. Now if this is a square, तो वो square यहाँ पे तो पूरा cover हो ही जाएगा. And this line, always remember, when you fold it like this or like this, जब तुम horizontally या vertically fold करते हो, the lines which are diagonal like this will become diagonal on the other side. Also, when you fold diagonally like this, समझो अगर ये square है, if you are folding diagonally ऐसे, तो जो line horizontal है, वो lines vertical हो जाएगा. So this is one understanding that really helps in these kind of sums. Let's go. तो here if we see, ये लाइन ऊपर आ जाएगा and ये जो इधर ऐसा है वो ऐसा आ जाएगा. So it has to be a rectangle with a V in middle. That is this one, the first option. Easy. Yeah, let's move on. Now guys, this is embedded images. This is also one of the type of questions that comes in CET. Very few people actually teach this, but this really comes in CET many times. So this is something you can't leave. The whole point is that ये जो image है ना, वो ऐसा का ऐसा इसमें कहीं तो छुपा हुआ है. Out of the 4 or 5 figures that is given there, the image is hidden somewhere here. So let's see. यहाँ पे ऐसा एक बनता है आधा बोटाई जैसा. So इधर तो ऐसा slanting lines नहीं है, so we can't do it. Similarly, यहाँ पे बोटाई जैसा है, पर उसके बाद till here it is fine. But नीचे जाके horizontal line नहीं है, so that is why it is cancelled. Let's see here. यही पे cancel हो गया. इधर तो line नहीं है. It is a line like this, so that is cancelled. So we have only one option that is left. That is this one. Let's find where it is. Here. And ये horizontal line. So that is how we got the figure. So that is why this is the right option. We mark this. And this one. And guys, it is not necessary. Okay, I'll not tell this to you from the start. Let's see. यहाँ पे M है ना, तो let's check it. ये वाले में M है, पर ये वाले में ये वाला point ऊपर है and ये वाला point नीचे है. ऐसा तो नहीं है. Both are equal. Similarly, here is an M, पर ये connected नहीं है. So we can't. It has to be a complete figure as it is. इधर देखो, इधर ये वाले में ये m पर ये नीचे कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, दैट इज मिसिंग. सो दिस वन, बट ये वाले में भी ऐसा है नहीं m, तो व्हाट डू वी डू? बट अंडरस्टैंड, इसमें अगर मैंने थोड़ा टेढ़ा कर दिया लाइक दिस, सो दिस मेक्स एन m which is rotated. So this one does give me an m, the figure as it is, but it is rotated. So that is something that is very important. Pay very close attention to this. ये छोटी छोटी चीज होती है जो पकड़ने में से काफी फायदा होता है. So guys, let's start here. Now dice में तो जरा भी डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. Dice is something that most of you are very afraid of, but I believe dice is something that is absolutely doable. So dice से कभी मत डरना. Okay? Now let's see. यहाँ पे what we know is that A के जो दोनों पैर है ना, that is the two legs of A, उसके उधर प्लस आता है and A के साइड में B का टॉप आता है. So let's check this. अगर मैंने ऐसा किया तो ये वाला आ सकता है क्या? B का टॉप पर B के टॉप के ऊपर तो A है, तो यहाँ पे A ऐसा होना चाहिए था, बट A तो नहीं है, so this one is cancelled. Let's check this one. A के बाजू में B का साइड है, बट B का टॉप आना चाहिए ना A के बाजू में, so that is why this one is also wrong. Now we have these two options. Here A के बाजू में B का टॉप है, but also we know that here B, this one B is a little different. ये वाला B अपने B जैसा नहीं है. एक also we don't know कि A के ऊपर क्या है, A के ऊपर वाली साइड पे क्या है, we don't know. There may be a plus, there may not be a plus. This one seems the most right because यहाँ पे B भी एकदम proper है. B के ऊपर वाले पार्ट में A है in the same direction that is shown here, and A के ऊपर मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है, तो A के ऊपर उन्होंने प्लस डाल दिया. So that is why this is the right option. That is something, that is a way that you solve all these sums. Always देखो किसकी कौन सी डायरेक्शन में वो सिंबल है एंड वो सिंबल के कौन से डायरेक्शन में क्या आता है. This is also very helpful when you are opening up a box. This technique is very useful. Use that. Okay. And this one is rotated images. Like इसमें यही इमेज इसने कहाँ पे रोटेट करके कौन सा वाला लिया है. Let's check. ये वाला ऑब्वियसली इसमें तो आएगा नहीं, मतलब एम्बेड करके आएगा नहीं, रोटेट करके एम्बेड करके, क्योंकि यहाँ पे वो लाइन गायब है, ये वाली जो लाइन है 3. सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज रॉन्ग. वी कांट से दिस वन बिकॉज यहाँ पे बीच में वो व्हाइट सर्कल है. सो व्हाइट सर्कल तो यहाँ पे बीच में नहीं, यहाँ पे इट्स ब्लैक, सो दिस इज गॉन. नाउ देयर इज अ कॉम्पिटिशन बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस. लेट्स सी फर्क क्या है दोनों में. यहाँ पे तुम गाइस नीचे वाला देखोगे ना, छोटे ट्रायंगल के नीचे तो खाली एरिया है, जबकि ये वाले में छोटे ट्रायंगल में खाली एरिया नहीं है. ये वाले छोटे ट्रायंगल में उन्होंने लाइन डाल दी है, बट यहाँ पे खाली है. तो फोर्थ इज द राइट ऑप्शन एंड थर्ड इज द रॉन्ग ऑप्शन. These are minute details that you have to see if you want to score marks in abstract very fast. चलो. Now again, so this is the वो series कौन सा follow होगा. Guys, always in such sums don't look at the entire sum. Most people what they do is पूरा सब symbols देखते हैं. Never do that. Look at only one symbol. एक symbol को follow करो, उसका pattern देखो, बाद में दूसरे symbol को follow करो. It makes it very easy. So here let's see the पहले x से चालू करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे x, x, x and x 4 बार आया and 5वें स्टेप में गायब हो गया x. Now let's see. Circle, circle, circle. सर्कल 3 में गायब हो गया एंड सर्कल के बदले क्या आया, ये ओवल आ गया. एंड इफ यू सी दे फॉलो ओनली वन पैटर्न, दैट इज एवरीवन इज मूविंग वन स्टेप इन द क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. तो यहाँ पे सर्कल है, ये ओवल के बाद ओवल ऊपर आ जाएगा, तो ये तो सब में है. एक्स गायब हो जाएगा, तो एक्स कहीं पे नहीं है. लेट्स सी स्टार. स्टार का 1 2 3 4, तो स्टार गायब हो जाना चाहिए. सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज द रॉन्ग ऑप्शन. Now what we know is that ये 3 में से कोई है and every time a new symbol comes in and तीनों में ये common ही है, rectangle, oval, square. तो बचा क्या, ये symbols. जो symbol नया है वो वाला अपना आंसर है. तो this is the only new symbol. बाकी सारे symbols repeated है because हमने square पहले कर दिया, C पहले कर दिया and circle भी पहले कर दिया, black वाला. So the second one is the right option. Now let's go to this one. Again a very classic CET sum, a very classic CET sum. ये almost हर बार आता ही है. A similar sum of this kind. The number of lines are increasing here every time. But the one twist that most students miss is that हर सबको पता चल जाता है कि इसमें 5 लाइन्स ऐड हो रही है, 1 2 3 4 5. But you have to understand कि ये options देखते हैं. चलो यहाँ पे क्या है, ये 1 2 3 4 5 इधर इधर 3 और इधर 2 इधर पूरा हो जाना चाहिए. So it can be this third, or it can be fourth, or it can be fifth. But जहां जहां पे 3 आए हैं, in what direction have they come? How have they started coming? यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे जब 3 आया तो वो ऐसे U शेप में आए. यहाँ पे जब आया 1 आया तो वो पहले लेफ्ट वाला आया. यहाँ पे जब 2 आया तो सेकंड वाला नीचे वाला आया. So that means the order that they follow, the lines follow this order of coming. Left, down, up, right, up. ये हमेशा ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा ऑर्डर, एंड दैट ऑर्डर डज नॉट चेंज. तो अगर यहाँ पे ये 2 तो हो गए एंड इसके बाद यहाँ पे 3 आएंगे, तो 3 कैसे आएंगे? इन द यू शेप. दैट इज फिफ्थ ऑप्शन. So this is very necessary. Take care. Okay, guys? Let's move ahead. Odd one out. Odd one out, again, follow only one symbol. Only one symbol. बाकी कुछ नहीं. यहाँ पे पहले देखते हैं एरो. यहाँ पे सब में एक चीज कॉमन है कि सब 90 डिग्रीज घूम जाते हैं. तो देखो, एरो फर्स्ट पोजीशन से थर्ड पोजीशन गया. फर्स्ट पोजीशन वाला थर्ड पोजीशन. फर्स्ट पोजीशन गया थर्ड पोजीशन पे. बराबर है. फर्स्ट पोजीशन गया थर्ड पोजीशन. Again, arrow is the first, arrow became third, equal to is the first, equal to became third. So what do we do next? We follow the second one. Simple. यहाँ पे equal to था, equal to second से गया top most position पे, second से गया top most position पे, circle second से गया second position पे गया. So that is not fair. Like वो नहीं होना चाहिए. यहाँ देखो, यहाँ भी circle second से top most पे गया, यहाँ पे star second से top most गया. So our answer is the third one. Third one is the odd man out. Simple. Again, in all questions are solvable in less than 30 seconds. All questions of abstract. And guys, I'll explain something later. ये एक चीज I'll give a tip. चलो, यहाँ पे let's see. जो लेफ्ट कॉर्नर में है वो राइट में गया, लेफ्ट में है वो राइट में गया. Z goes here, H goes here and R goes here. वो ठीक है. So let's see. ये वाला गया बीच में. Arrow goes in middle. Square goes middle. This goes middle. ये देखो, ये वाला जो बीच में था वो इधर जाना चाहिए था ना, स्क्वायर. बट दैट इज नॉट हैपनिंग. सो दैट इज व्हाई फिफ्थ इज द रॉन्ग वन. फिफ्थ इज आवर आंसर. दैट्स इट. इट्स ऑलवेज इजियर टू फॉलो ओनली वन एलिमेंट. या सो गाइस, दैट डज इट. I have one more trick for you guys, like one more tip for you guys when solving abstract. For abstract, guys, always remember, it's fine. Just like the entire CET, it is fine if you are wrong sometimes. But abstract में तुम 13 मिनट से ऊपर डाल ही नहीं सकते. 13 मिनट से ऊपर abstract में मार्क टाइम डालना absolute पाप. कर ही नहीं सकते, करना ही नहीं चाहिए. Because it is not worth, क्योंकि वो जितना टाइम तुम्हारे पास बचता है ना, increase your speed. And trust me, all the students in my course have really increased their speed. So all of you who want to know, my course is Crack Every Test, where I teach you all my tricks for LR, DI, English, quant and abstract. सारे sections covered है. I have tricks for everything. I really help you out with improving your English, improving your quant speed, improving your calculation speed, improving your DI, LR sets कैसे बनाने हैं. We have tricks for everything, and all the lectures have been taught only by me. I make sure that you get a very structured timetable कि कैसे follow करना है, कौन से दिन क्या पढ़ना है. I'm confident that you can really crack the CET if you put in the effort, if you follow my timetable, and if you are genuinely working for it. I can tell you that you will for sure see an increase in your marks, increase in your speed, and that's something that I really help out the students with. All the students who have joined the course are very happy, and I would love to talk to you. If you guys ever need to reach out to me, here's my number. That is 9987669472. You can always reach out to me. Please WhatsApp me, and we'll have a nice talk. Apart from that, for everything that you have, as I'd informed, the fees has changed a bit. The course fee is 5,500, and all other packs that we have for mock tests, they have increased a little too. But I guarantee that the course is curated only by me. I'm the only person teaching in that, and I have tried to put in as much effort as possible. Also, I have added one more strategy lecture. So for whoever plans to join, understand that पहले जितने lectures थे उससे ज़्यादा lectures हो गए हैं. I've added one more lecture purely on strategy, on what strategy to follow in the CET to make sure that your time is not wasted and to get the most out of your time. If you guys really need to contact me, these are my contact details. You can either join my Telegram group, where I every once in a while put up a sum for practice. A difficult LRDI sum I'll put in for practice every once in a while. That's my number. You can WhatsApp me on that anytime. And also there's our Instagram profile. You can either contact me on Crack Every Test, or you can contact me on my personal Instagram, that is Jiggy2512. Sure. I really liked talking to you guys again. I really loved reaching out to you. And if you have anything, then do reach out to me. It's absolutely fine. Just WhatsApp me. It's great talking to you guys again. Bye.